Hello students, welcome to Vipinsharma physics channel. Dear students, I have been asked a question by a student. Generally, whenever I teach, I always say, I have been asked a question by a student. You will be definitely thinking, sir, always you have been asked a question by a student. Yes, because my class is always a dialogue, not a monologue. So students generally do interact with me. The reason is that I give them enough space, ample space to ask questions. There is no ego, there is no attitude in my class. We are all students and we are all teachers. A teacher is always a student. So I am a student. So I have been asked a question by a student. What is an image? Interesting. I have been asked a question by a student, what is an image? I just said that you don't know what is the meaning of image. Yes sir, I know what is an image according to physics. You know students, for a common man, we breathe and we live, but for a doctor who knows anatomy, he knows what happens when we breathe, when we inhale and when we exhale. So according to him, there is absolutely different concept. For a common man, what is an image? Just you see, when you look at yourself in a mirror, you will see an image, or when you see on the screen your favorite so-called heroes, that is called an image. But according to physics, I was not able to explain image at that time. So an image basically, according to physics, should be what, and it is, of course. An image is the point of convergence. An image is the point of convergence or apparent point of divergence. Point of convergence or an apparent point of divergence. With a given optical element. With a given optical element. You know, you have asked what is an image. To answer what is an image, I have loaded your brains with more questions than only one question, what is an image? I have uploaded convergence. I have uploaded apparent. divergence, optical element. First of all, let us go to the optical element. What is optical element? Can you guess? Optical element is nothing but mirror or lens. You know, optical element can be a reflecting material or refracting material. Reflecting material like mirror, concave, convex, plane. Refracting material like prism, like lens, concave, convex. So, for example, if we take an optical element, convex lens, and this is principal axis. Here we have an object, one incident ray, another incident ray, all right, and it comes back reflected, meeting here, meeting here. So here you get and this is an object and this is an image. Just as we need two incident rays to determine an object and its position, we need two refracted rays to determine the image position. We need incident rays to determine the object position, and we need refracted rays to determine the image position. So, as in the case of physics, images too can be real or virtual. I've got a habit of uploading short length videos because you people generally don't have a patience to watch long videos. I know this. You believe in SBNB concept, सीधी बात no. ठीक है ना? तो I will upload what is real image in the next and virtual image in the next. So let me go to the Hindi version also, but prior to that, what is an image is clear. Optical element is clear. Convergence, convergence means they come and meet at one point. Divergence means they scatter like this. Dear students, this is your channel. I don't get much time regularly to upload the videos, but whenever I get time, I have to upload. It's my passion. So Vipinsharma Physics channel is your channel, and Vipin sir is for you students. Thank you very much. God bless you. Happy learning. Now, Hindi version will also be there. Those students who are willing to learn in English, you know, HIGNLISH, English. So same thing in English also. If you want to go only in English version, then this, then English version next.